The AI video wars just got a new heavy hitter. While everyone is talking about Sora, the real creators are looking at Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield.ai. Today, I'm showing you why this is the most anticipated update of 2026 and exactly how you can start using Higgsfield right now to prepare for the leap to 3.0. Higgsfield is on a mission to be the most creator-friendly platform. Their latest blog post on Kling 3.0 expectations reveals some mind-blowing upgrades. We are talking about Kling 3.0 Omni, a unified workflow. Unlike Kling 2.6, which is capped at 1080p, 3.0 is aiming for 4K at 60 FPS. Imagine the clarity in macro shots and the smoothness of motion. But you don't have to wait for 3.0 to start creating. Let me show you how the platform works right now. Something massive is coming to the world of AI video. If you thought the current models were good, wait until you see what's next. Kling 3.0 is officially coming soon to Higgsfield. This isn't just a small update, it's a total shift in how we generate cinematic content. We're talking about 4K resolution, 60 FPS, and the new Omni workflow. Stay tuned because the future of AI video starts right here on Higgsfield. Let's get into the engine room. To get those viral results, the prompt is everything. Notice how I'm being specific about the lighting and character details. Here I'm telling Gemini that I want 4 scene prompts for the Superman scene generation with the help of Kling 2.6, the feature of Higgsfield AI, and make the different types of scenario for each scene with action sequence. This entire prompt and the generated prompts will be given in the description box. If you want to generate, you can use that PDF file. Wait and see how Gemini give the super magical prompts to us. Switch to Higgsfield Kling 2.6 for the generation. Now copy and paste the scene and select the motion that you want to generate. Consistency is the biggest challenge in AI, but Higgsfield makes it easy. I'm selecting my character template here to ensure the look stays the same every single time. I'm choosing the motion intensity now. You don't want it to look robotic. By selecting the right movement style, we ensure the character feels alive and fluid. Do this for all the 4 prompts and wait a while and experiment new one with your imagination. One click and the AI starts processing. This setup is exactly how I create my AI influencer content for the Kaya and Shravan page. Simple, fast and professional. Welcome to the full walkthrough. Higgsfield is designed to be the most creator-friendly platform. As we scroll through, you can see the sheer variety of styles, from photorealism to 3D animation. On the left side, you'll see our workspace. We have options for text to video and image to video. This dashboard is where you'll spend most of your time refining your vision. For the Superman flying scene, I selected the flying motion and also added the image of Henry Cavill from the movie Man of Steel as a reference image and save it and used in the Kling for the generation. Now it's your turn. Make amazing motions, scenes using Kling 2.6 and wait for the Kling 3.0 so you can now make more realistic scenes using it. Now let's talk about the big rumors. Based on the Higgs field blog, Kling 3.0 is expected to bring native 4K output. This means your videos won't just look good on a phone, they'll look good on a theater screen. This is the result of the Henry Cavill flying scene. You can see that Kling did not make any mistake here. Even with the current model, the physics are incredible. Look at how the clothes move and how the hair flows. Kling 3.0 is set to push this even further with better contact physics. No more glitchy hands. If you want to be the first to test Kling 3.0, you need to sign up for early access. I have put my unique link in the description. Make sure to use it to get a head start. That's everything we know so far about Kling 3.0 on Higgs field. Thanks for watching.
If you like this, just comment, Tech Beyond Expectations, and feel alive. See you in the next one.